Welcome back to learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP section, Lesson History of PHP. PHP was created in 1994 and is one of the foundational technologies of modern web development. Given all the new technologies used today, is there still space for PHP? PHP remains one of the widest used server-side technologies on the internet. It provides the underlying code for many popular content management systems, CMS, including WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. A CMS allows users to create and update their own websites without having to write a lot of complex code themselves. PHP also provides the underlying code for many e-commerce sites, including WooCommerce and Magento. These e-commerce platforms offer a number of tools for selling products online. This way, companies can focus on other aspects of their business without having to implement complex programming logic from scratch. PHP contains built-in functionality for interacting with web data. Vanilla PHP, or PHP without any other tools, can be used on its own to create web application backends. But we don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. Once we're comfortable with the basics of the PHP language, we have our pick of powerful PHP frameworks to choose from. These frameworks provide scaffolding and solutions to common problems in back-end web development. Some popular PHP frameworks are Laravel, Cake PHP, and Symfony. Our instructions say, please continue to the next exercise when ready. Zoom out. Here we see some of the different ways PHP is implemented. We see it used for CMSs, which are content management systems such as WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. We have e-commerce such as WooCommerce and Magento here, and frameworks, Laravel, Cake PHP, and Symfony. All utilize PHP. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.